False online advertisements. Beware of fraudulent traps. There are numerous so-called money-making advertisements on the internet, but many of these ads conceal complex scams. Many fraudsters use these advertisements to lure you into so-called games where various ads constantly pop up, prompting you to click. These fraudsters earn advertising revenue from your clicks, while you receive no actual benefit. After playing these games, you'll find that you can't withdraw any money. This is because the fraudsters employ various means to avoid payment, making it impossible for you to receive your due earnings. This isn't the most concerning part. The most important thing to note is that if you attempt to obtain evidence, such as screenshots or videos, these ads may have already embedded malware. Once they discover that you're trying to gather evidence, they may take immediate action to damage your phone system and programs, forcing you to restore your phone to factory settings and reformat it. This destructive measure not only causes you significant loss but also leaves you feeling helpless and angry. The methods used by these scammers are terrifying. Not only do they control your phone, but they can also monitor your data, information, and other critical content. Such infringement on your personal privacy and property is extremely dangerous. Let's think about how terrifying this kind of control is. Fraudsters use various technical means to manipulate user behavior, making them believe in the authenticity of these ads and even encouraging them to invest more time and money. For instance, they might employ complex psychological inducement methods, making users feel that they are making progress in the game, thereby enticing them to continue investing. However, this progress is merely an illusion, as users are merely tools for fraudsters to extract economic benefits. In these cases, how can you protect yourself? First and foremost, be wary of these false money-making apps and games. Enhance your ability to recognize these scams and avoid falling victim to them. Remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Behind these enticing ads often lurks complex traps and dangers. Through education and information dissemination, we can help more people recognize the hazards of these false advertisements and games. The government and relevant institutions should also strengthen regulation, combat fraud, and protect the interests of the public. Each of us should remain vigilant against these activities and refuse to participate in anything that may lead to economic loss or the leakage of personal information. Furthermore, the government and businesses can take additional steps to protect consumers. For instance, businesses can enhance ad review processes to ensure the authenticity and legality of ad content. The government can strengthen oversight, implement stricter regulations and penalties, and crack down on those who use false ads to deceive consumers. We also need to cultivate public awareness of internet safety and increase understanding of potential threats. Through education and training, the public can learn to identify false ads and scams, avoiding falling into fraudsters' traps. Finally, each of us can take action, working together to create a safer, healthier online environment. By collaborating and helping each other, we can protect ourselves and others from online fraud. Let us reflect and discuss together. How do you think these fraudsters should be curtailed? What actions should the government, regulatory bodies, and each of us take to prevent these fraudsters from succeeding? How can you better protect yourself and those around you from online fraud? These are questions that require each of us to consider and discuss seriously. Let's work together to build a safer, healthier online environment. Given this online fraud, what specific measures do you think we should take? Do you have any practical suggestions to help curb the fraudsters and protect ordinary people from harm?